Welcome to my channel again, people. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'll be talking about the infamous Yoni stick. This product is amazing. Stay tuned. This is the Madura or Yoni stick, but I like to call it the Madura stick. It's a feminine cleanse tightening wand, and it does incredible stuff. It really lives up to its name. So first of all, I'm going to tell you what it does, and then a little demonstration how this is brought in and how it cleanses and how you can get this product for yourself. So this product is made out of the Madura powder and also chalk and other Asian roots and vegetables. And it's a product that can be used for quite a long time. What it does, it's a feminine hygiene stick, which means it goes into your kitty cat. You insert it in, and then it cleanses everything down there. It brings everything out. I have a testimony on that. And what it also does is that it tightens your cooch. It's amazing how small you get down there. If you leave it as long as you can use it. I did it for quite a very long time, and I couldn't even get it out. That's a lot of information. But anyway, this product really works. How it's brought in is that you have a little bit of water. You're in the bathroom or in your room and you have a little bit of clean, clear water. I have done this before, so the water is clean. This is your cooch, and then you gently insert, twist, insert, breathe and twist, insert, and then you leave this between your lady lips. You just leave it like that, and you can wait about an hour or two. I did it for a very long time. I even slept with it. Anyway, and then when you're done, you twist, pull, twist, pull out, and then you wash it, you rinse it really well, cleanse everything, and then everything will start cleansing out naturally by itself. But what also happens is your canal in your vagina starts to shrink quite small. So if you're intimate with your lover, you can do this an hour or 30 minutes before, and then pull it out just like how I demonstrated. And then you have some good sensation for a couple of hours, because that's how long this works. It's not something that is permanent. Let me just get that out there. But I'm really in love with this product. It cleansed and took out pretty nasty, disgusting thing. Disclaimer on this picture, that's the product it took out. So I really love it. I didn't have any discomfort, only taking it out because it was way too long. But I got it out and I was really quite pleased. It removes odors. It eliminates any kind of inflammation or irritation. It cleanses it out naturally because it's only natural product and herb. So these sticks are very affordable. They come in a packet like this, wrapped neatly with some Asian text on how to use it. It's much more simply described. It has a plastic bag, and this one is a new one, so I don't want to touch it, but there is some wrapping on it, some wrappings on it, and you have different sizes, and you can order this and it can be delivered to you as fast as possible, and then you can start cleansing yourself and feeling fresh and tight and youthful all over again. So yeah, I really love this product. It really does its work. It's pretty affordable. It's leaking water. It's pretty affordable, and yeah, I really some chalk of the product. So this is how exactly it will be inside of you, and then it will rinse itself and rid itself of any kind of nasty or scented stuff. While I'm using this is just me. I like to put in some meditation music, some relaxing music, and meditate while this does its work. You know, be one with God, with the universe, and all of that. And it's a good product. It's really, really good. I love it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for being here. And, you know, if you have any other questions, please leave it in the comments, like this video, and subscribe, of course. Thank you so much for being here again. Love, peace, and coconut water.